This is the story of my love for horses and the discovery of my courage. When I was young, I grew attached to a sport with high intensity, and that sport was horse riding. I started learning on riding school ponies, and it made me have the dream to own my very own horse. This dream was soon to become a reality. I discovered a warm-hearted but spirited horse who taught me confidence and patience. It wasn't an easy ride. One day, after only a few months of owning him, I took Casper for a ride around the field with the aim to go slowly. I felt Casper's quick stride and the wind bluster through my hair, but suddenly I nosedived onto the ground. My arm had snapped in half and I felt defeated. I couldn't ride for a long time and it made me feel nervous and frightened. Despite that, our companionship didn't go away, even though I felt like giving up. We both worked hard once I could ride again to rebuild the trust between us. I went for lesson after lesson and tried to push myself to do things that made me feel scared. As the years went by, I found both of us enjoying galloping around and going as fast as possible. The connection between me and Casper allowed us to do things I didn't think were possible. We were able to persevere and build a deep bond between horse and rider.